sin square x square into cos square x square. For our convenience, I am taking that x square equal to some theta. So this is 1 plus 8 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay. So this is 1 plus. This can be written as 2 into sin square 2 theta. Can you write like this or not? Tell me here. What is sin square 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. That is 4 into 2 8 sin square. So again 1 plus 2 into. How can you write the sin square 2 theta? Is this directly 1 minus cos 4 theta? Directly. This is 2 into sin square 2 theta as 1 minus cos 4 theta. So how can you write this one? This is 1 plus 1 minus cos 4 theta. 1 minus cos 4 theta. 1 minus cos A. 2 sin square theta. Sin square. So this is how much we get here? 2 minus cos 4 theta. So how can we find? So maximum value of 2 minus cos 4 theta means we have to find the maximum value of this thing. To find the maximum value of this thing, this must be minimum or maximum. Tell me. This value. This value. We have to find maximum value of whole thing 2 minus cos 4 theta because the value of this thing is we got this one. Maximum value of 2 minus cos 4 theta means if you find the minimum value of this thing, what will happen? This is fixed constant. If this value is increasing, total value is decreasing because 2 minus something because here minus is there. If this value is increasing, total value is decreasing. If this value is decreasing, total value is what? Increasing. So since we have to find the maximum value, we have to find what? Minimum value of this thing. So because this is a constant. So this is 2 minus minimum of cos 4 theta. Simple logic. What is the minimum value of cos 4 theta? Minus 1. What is the final answer? 3. Okay, right. This is problem number 43. 44 we can verify. 45 also we can verify. 46 tan theta equal to 0 degrees. 47 and 48 we can do all the direct problems are given. Next one 53. What is 53 given here? X equal to that is not that is given R, that is not gamma here given there. X equal to R cos alpha cos beta cos gamma, Y equal to R cos alpha cos beta sin gamma, Z equal to R sin alpha cos beta, mu equal to take alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 0 degrees and verify the problem. Okay, simple problem. Then we can do it. So for problem number 54 also, take alpha, beta, gamma some angles. 54, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 0 degrees and verify the problem. What will happen here? First one cos 0 plus cos 0 plus cos 0 plus cos 0. That means 1 cos 0 we know value. We know the value of cos 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. For what option you will get 4? If you take alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 0, third option. Because 4 into cos 0 into cos 0 into cos 0. 4. Answer is third option. C. 55. We have to find the value of 7.5 degrees. We have to find the value of 7.5 degrees. This is improper fraction. How to calculate the problem? 7.5 degrees there. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. This is 15 by 2. Clearly we know the formula. Tan theta by 2 equal to what? Root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Is it right or not? Tan theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So, substitute the value. Cos 15 value, how much? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 by, this is 1 plus again, root 3 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM, this is root of 2 root 2 minus of root 3 plus 1 by, This is 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1. Rationalize this. This is 2 root 2 minus half root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus half root 3 plus 1. Write the denominator first here. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 2 root 2 whole square. 8 minus root 3 plus 1 whole square. How much? 4 plus 2 root 3. Numerator both are same. 2 root 2 minus root 3 plus 1 whole square. 2 root 2 minus root 3 plus 1 whole square. So numerator square root is cancelled. So numerator 2 root 2 minus half root 3 plus 1 by 8. Simplify the denominator here. 8 minus 4. 4. This is the 4 minus 2 root 3. So final answer is 2 root 2 minus half root 3 plus 1 by 8. This is clearly root 3 minus 1 whole square. Inside the root. Root 3 minus 1 whole square under root of. That means what is the answer? Root 3 minus 1. So this is the way how to find the value of tan 7.5 degrees. That is tan 15 degrees by 2. Tan theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos. Actually we will have plus or minus here. But what is theta here? 15 by 2. 15 by 2 belongs to what quadrant? First quadrant. That's why we will take plus. Okay? Because in first quadrant tan is positive, no internet minus here. This is the way how to find the value of tan 7.5 degrees. Next. So this is problem number 55. Problem number 60. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0. And sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. Then we have to find the values of sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma. And cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 gamma, cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. For second years, those who have completed second year already, we have done this problem. Most important one answer. Okay, in the same way only I am going to tell you. Let us take x equal to cos alpha plus sin alpha, y equal to cos beta plus sin beta, z equal to cos gamma plus sin gamma. What is x plus y plus z? Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, that means 0. Take y common, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, that is 0. Understood that? Right. So x plus y plus z equal to 0. Let us find 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. 1 by x means what? This is cis alpha. Second year students already know about this. 1 by cis alpha means what? Cis alpha whole power minus 1. That means cis of minus alpha. How much will we get now? Cos alpha minus sin alpha plus cos beta minus sin beta plus cos gamma minus sin gamma. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma 0. Take minus I common, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is also 0. So this value is equal to 0. Take LCM. Yz plus xz plus xy equal to 0. LCM take xyz xy. So this is xy plus yz plus zx equal to 0. Take this square on this both sides. X plus y plus z whole square equal only got this value 0. 0 square. Expand this. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus zy plus zx already 0 we got here. So this is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. What is x square? This is how much we get here? Cis 2 alpha. Why cis 2 alpha? Cis alpha whole square. This is what? Cis 2 beta. This is cis 2 gamma equal to 0. Understood now? Cos 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha. Cos 2 beta plus sin 2 beta. Cos 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma. How can I know? Separate the real terms. Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma plus I into sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma equal to 0. 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0 equal to real parts. Then cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma equal to 0. Equating the imaginary parts sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma equal to 0. This is the question. Next. Sixty-one is simple problem only. Take right angle triangle, you will get the answer. 62 62 also write down. 63. Right. Next problem 63. Sin x plus sin square x equal to 1. So this is sin x equal to, take sin square x right side, will it how much? 1 minus sin square x is what? Cos square x. We have to find the value of cos power 8x plus 2 cos power 6x plus cos power 4x. Okay. So how can you find here? Cos power 8x plus 2 cos power 4x plus 2 cos power 6x plus cos power 4x. What is cos power 8x? What is cos power 8x? Taking power 4 on both sides. Sin power 4 equal to what? Cos square x whole power 4. That means sin power 4x equal to cos power 8x. So in place of this thing you can write what? Sin power 4x plus, I am writing this one here, cos square plus, now this term I am writing here. This is cos power 4x into cos square x, you can write. Is it right? Cos power 4x into cos square x, cos power 6x. Now this can be written as what? Sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square. A square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square means sin square x plus a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2 sin square x into cos square x plus 2. What is cos power 4x? Sin square x. This thing. Keep the cos square x as it is. So this is sin square x plus cos square x, we know 1. 1 square means 1. These two gets cancelled. Answer is what? 1. So this is problem number 63. Similarly, problem number 64 and 65 we can do. Okay. That's all for today. For the we have discussed only some problems in the trigonometry and ratios and derivatives. Tomorrow, again in the next class, we will start the concepts of trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometric functions, hyperbolic functions, and properties of triangles. That's all for today.